Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add emails into an ActiveCampaign automation. It's simple to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or log in to your account. To add a contact to an automation, start by clicking on the Contacts tab. Open the contact you want to add to an automation, and you'll see an Add button in front of the automation section. Click on this button, select the automation you want to add the contact to, and then click OK. Your contact will be successfully added to the automation. Additionally, I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below. You'll learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and share to support our channel, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you next time.